Today I am going to discuss about proposition and truth table. What is proposition? A proposition is the basic building block of logic. It is defined as a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both. Propositions are denoted with capital letters P, Q, R and lowercase letter P, Q, R. These are used for general proposition that have no meaning. We only use them for general proofs. The truth value of a proposition is true if it is a true statement denoted as T, and false if it is a false statement denoted as F. For example, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It is a true statement, so it is true. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. It is also a true statement, so it is true. K is a vowel. It is a false statement, so it is F. False. Which are not propositions? Like any kind of questions and command are not proposition. For example, what is your name? It is a question, so it is not proposition. Do not waste your time. It is a command and imperative sentence, so it is not proposition. Now truth table. Truth table has basic logical operations, conjunction. For conjunction, any two propositions P and Q, their conjunction is denoted with P, Q, which means P and Q, P and Q. Now doing example P, Q. For conjunctions, P and Q true when both P and Q are true, otherwise false. Here is both true, so it is true, otherwise all false, so all F. Now disjunctions. For disjunctions, any two propositions like P, Q, their disjunction is denoted with P, Q. That means P or Q. The disjunctions P and Q is true either P or Q true, otherwise false. So here is a P and P true, so it is true. T true, it is true. F false and Q true, so it is true. F false, Q false, it is false. For negation, if P is a proposition, then the negation of P is denoted with not P, which means not P. Same like as Q. Q. The truth value of not P is opposite the truth value of P, and the truth value of not Q is opposite the Q. So as P is true, so not P is false, false, P is false, true, P is false, so it is true, and Q is true, so it is false, then Q is false, it is true, then Q is true, it is false, then Q is false, it is true. And implication. For any true proposition P and Q, the statement if P then Q, if P then Q is called an implication, and it is denoted by P Q. If P and Q both are false, the implication is true. Otherwise, it depends on Q. If Q is true, the implication is true, and if Q is false, the implication is false. So, firstly, it's true. Now Q is false, so it is false. Then Q is true, so it is true. Here is P and Q both are false, so implication is true. Thank you.